we will build a app character counter where the requirement is text area input, display remaining characters, limit maximum characters, and already create a project and also create a component character counter here. Now the logic of the app is here we need a text area where we put our input values like A, B, C, D. We will put in input a text area input, and also we need a max length of character. We have to define it first, like how the max length of the character, how many max length, like 100, 200, 300, etc. And third is remaining character. What is remaining character? The max length minus the text length, our recent text length. So for the text area, inside the main div, I use text area tag, simple text area tag, and also span tag, where we define our remaining characters. How many characters remaining here? How many characters we can input? And inside the text area, I define a placeholder who is stored in the text. Okay. Now we need max length of character, and we have to define it firstly. And we use const here because we can't update the max length, and it is constant. So I define max length is 100. Okay. So in the text area tag, I define the max length value, and also we need to define a value in the text area, and this value is depends dynamic value, because if we change the text area input value repeatedly, then the value also changed, and it will depend on the use state. So, and also we by default the value is empty string, and if we input any values like A, B, C, D, F, G, whatever. So for defining the value, we use use state const text set text equal to use state by default is empty string, and also I input the use state in the project and defining the value as text. Now if we want to input some values on the text area, then the input also displayed on the text. So the event is target. We have to target the event and also target the text. So that's why I am using here onChange. onChange and to pass the event, where the set text value target the exact event dot target dot value. Now for span, we have to define the remaining characters. And what is the remaining characters? Max length minus text dot length. Our recent text length, whatever is so max length minus text dot length. Now we are getting an error for the use client. So we need to use the use client because in this project there is a client interaction in onChange, and we also use state here. So now the project is working completely fine, and we can type here, and you can see the text is also changing remaining characters. Now let's add some Tailwind CSS class for styling purpose in this component. And now you can see here I define a conditional rendering while max length minus text length equals to 0, then the conditional rendering will be happening here. And in this project you can see if we put some input values here, and while the text length reaches to the max length, you can see 0 remaining characters. The styling changes in the span. Let's add some Tailwind CSS class for styling.